Today, we're going to create something amazing, something very viral that is also monetized according to YouTube's new policy. First of all, check out this channel. Its name is Mr. Know a Little. It has very good viral content. Some of its videos have millions of views, as you can see. This channel has only uploaded 29 videos so far, but already has 108k subscribers, which is really impressive, as you can see. The second channel is Time for Growth, which is also a very good channel. As you can see, it has over 81k subscribers and many of its videos have gone viral. The third channel is Simply Easy, which is another excellent channel. It has uploaded only 35 videos so far, but it's also amazing, with lots of views. Now the question is this channel monetized or not? So, all you need to do is search for YouTube monetization check. The first option will be YT large. Click on it. After clicking, log in. Once you're logged in, copy the link of the channel you want to check and paste it here. For example, when I paste the link for Mr. Know a Little, you can see that it says the channel is monetized. You can also check the estimated income. It's between $5,000 and $7,500 per month, which is very high. In the same way, I copy the link of other channels and paste them here. You can see that they are monetized as well. For example, one channel earns between $6,000 and $9,000 per month. So in this way, you can check if any channel is monetized according to YouTube's new policy. You can use this for your complete course research. Watch every part of the video carefully. Don't miss any part. I've explained the complete course on my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Go viral with AI videos? This video is made for you. The idea shared here is not only trending, but already monetized. Stay till the end to understand how creators are using it to grow fast. Don't miss this. It might change the way you create AI videos. Let's get started and learn how to create powerful, highly monetized AI videos. First, open the YouTube channel that you want to create videos like. When you open that channel, the next thing you need to do is copy the channel link. After copying the link, open ChatGPT. It is a very useful tool. Once you open it, paste the link and write this message along with it. Please look at the channel using the link I gave and let me know if you have checked it. ChatGPT will read it and review it. Once ChatGPT has reviewed it, you will be able to see the results. Channel Overview. The channel is called Mr. Know a Little and has around 107,000 plus subscribers with about 29 videos uploaded so far. You can see all of this. After ChatGPT has checked everything, the next thing you need to do is write this. I want to create a channel exactly like this. Please make one story for this type of channel and also create 10 image prompts for it. After that, ChatGPT will review the channel and create a similar type of story that will be the best and most suitable for you. Now you can see that ChatGPT has generated a great story. I personally use this myself, and now everything is ready. Next, we move on to the next step. I open Video Inu. We go to the website videoinu.com. Once it loads, click on Start for Free. After that, select Login and sign in using your Gmail account. As soon as you log in, the website will give you 500 free credits to get started. Once you log into Video Inu, I will show you how to select a topic. Select AI image. After selecting it, there are many tools available for creating AI images. I click on Seedream 4.5 Nano and explain how to use it. I click Seedream 4.5, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. After a short while, the image will be generated. If you see that the image has turned out differently than expected, then you can open that channel again, use a snipping tool to crop the image, save it, and then upload that image to ChatGPT. Then write the next message. The character should be exactly like the one shown in the image you saw. Now please create 10 detailed prompts for it. Now you can see that ChatGPT will create an image and prompt exactly like you need. The video and image are ready, and you can check them. What I will do next is go back to the website, open Video Inu, and here I will paste the prompt. The image creation will start automatically. You just need to keep copying the prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them, and your image will gradually be created. This website is truly amazing for creating AI images. It allows you to generate stunning, high-quality visuals effortlessly for videos. The images look creative, sharp, and very professional. It saves time and makes content creation much easier. Overall, it is a powerful and impressive AI tool for anyone who wants eye-catching, attractive, and engaging visuals. Once the image is finished, the next step is here. There is a tool called Nano Banana. I use it, for example, if there is an image of a boy, but I want a girl in it. On this website, I use Nano Banana Pro. After uploading the image, I write, "Please replace the boy and add the girl in this image." As you can see, it creates a very good and amazing image. The original image had a boy, now it has a girl added. Next, if I want to make a video from this, what should I do? Click on Image to Video. And here you can see there are many options, like 3 Sora Plus, and many more that you can use. First, click on Upload to upload your image. After uploading the image, you just need to paste the prompt and the video will start generating. In this way, keep uploading images and pasting prompts, and your video will gradually start creating. This website is truly amazing for creating AI videos. It offers powerful tools like Sora, Veo 3, and Kling, making video creation easy and professional. You can generate stunning AI images and turn them into high-quality videos effortlessly. The results are creative, smooth, and visually impressive. It saves time and is perfect for content creators who want fast, eye-catching, and engaging AI-generated videos. As you can see, the video has been created and it looks amazing, exactly like the type of video you wanted to make. For voice, you can use any tool you want. If you click on VoiceOver on the video, you can create both the video and audio together. This means you can make a video with voice by just clicking on the voice option. For the final video editing, I'll use CapCut, which is an excellent software. Here, you can add your video, apply effects, filters, transitions, and music. CapCut is very easy to use and full of features, perfect for both beginners and professionals. I'll edit the video here, add effects, and make it ready for viewing. You can see the final result now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the video, leave a comment and I'll answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll share another method. Thanks again for watching.